In this video, I am going to tell about string functions in SAS. I have created a video on arithmetic functions also. You can check it on my channel. I will be discussing about date and time functions in my next video, so stay tuned. So let's get back to the string functions in SAS. String functions are used for character variables only. There are different string functions like index, scan, substring, compress, etc. I am going to discuss about each of them in details with examples. I have created this data set to show the example. It contains 4 variables. All are character variables. Phone number is also character variable because it contains some special characters here. So first is substring function. Using this function, we can get part of the string from whole string. It requires 3 arguments: variable name, starting position, and number of characters. Suppose we want only country name from this country variable, then we will use substring function. Let's look at the code. New variable is equal to substr, our variable name, which is country. Starting position is 1 as we want a country name here, and the number of characters we want 3 because India IND has 3 characters here. When we run this code, we can see hyphen has also come with country US and New Zealand. Because we have mentioned 3 as we want to cover all the characters in country name. Hence, we can say that we should use substring function only when the string we want to separate has equal number of characters in all the variables. We can solve this problem using next function, which is scan function. Using scan function, we can get required word from the string. The syntax is new variable is equal to scan in parenthesis our variable name, position of the word, and delimiter by which string is separated. Now we can get the country name from country variable without hyphen. In a variable country there are 2 words. First is country name and second is country code, separated by delimiter, which is hyphen. So if we want to read country name, we will write 1 as a word position and hyphen as a delimiter. And if we want to read country code, then we will write 2 or -1 as a word position and hyphen as a delimiter. When we run this code, we will get separate variables for country name and country code. Yeah, like this. Next function is index function. Using this function, we can get the index or the position of any character in string. Suppose we want to get index of hyphen in country variable, then the code will be new variable is equal to index, our variable name, which is country, and the character whose index need to find. When we run this code, we will get the position of hyphen in each country. Yeah. This is the position of hyphen in US country. This is the position in New Zealand country. This is the position of hyphen in this observation. Like this. Next is compress function. Using compress function, we can remove specific character from string. The syntax is new variable is equal to compress in parenthesis variable name character which we want to remove. Suppose we want to remove parenthesis and hyphen in phone number variable. Here we can see there is parenthesis and hyphen in phone number. Suppose we want to remove that. Then the code will be new variable is equal to compress phone number, comma, in inverted comma, all the characters we want to remove. When we run this code, we will get parenthesis and hyphen removed and stored in new variable, which is contact here. Like this, the hyphen and parenthesis is removed and saved in new variable, which is contact. Next function is concatenation function. It is used for combining the strings. Suppose we want to combine name and surname to make a full name in new variable, then the code will be full name is equal to name concat surname. We can run this. Here we can see we have concatenated name and surname. So next function is translate function. Using this function we can replace characters in string. Suppose we want to replace hyphen with underscore in the country variable, then the code line will be country is equal to translate in parentheses our variable name, which is country. This is new characters, which is underscore, and this is old character, which is hyphen. We want to replace hyphen with underscore. Let's run this. Yes, like this. We have replaced hyphen with underscore here. So this was all about string functions in SAS.